Today I'm going to show you how I made these 6 different lime garnishes. You're going to need a lime, a peeler, a knife, and a pick of your choice. Now go get your tools, and if you need some booze, be sure to check out Bottle Rover. You can get beer, wine, and liquor delivered to your door from bottlerover.com or download their app. Now let's make some garnishes. This heart garnish is so dainty and would make a great addition to date night. Start off by peeling 1 lime swath and then trim the sides. We're cutting one end into a V shape and then cutting the other end straight across. We're going to slice down the middle from the top of the flat end, but not all the way through. Now we have something that looks like the letter V. Loop the tops of the V inward. The outer peel should be facing each other and pinch them together. Take a pick and pierce from the outside of the heart through the 2 pinched ends in the middle and through the other side of the heart. Maneuver the peel on your pick until it takes a shape that you love and get ready to whip up the most romantic cocktail. Let's make a daisy lime garnish. You actually get 2 different garnishes with this one, a daisy lime wheel and a whole lime flower garnish complete with leaves. Cut out small wedges all the way around the lime. Make sure they are not too deep and space them out evenly. I ended up cutting about 6 wedges. Save these for later. Slice up the lime and there you have the most beautiful daisy lime wheel. You can stop there or you can take it a step further and add a few leaves and a cocktail pick stem. How beautiful is that? Let's make a twisted lime slice garnish, aka an S-shaped garnish, aka S is for subscribe garnish. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video so far. Get a lime wheel ready and slice it halfway through like you're cutting a mouth for Pac-Man. It should look something like this. Bend each side in the opposite way and then pierce it through like a money sign. You can do one or add another like I did. Let's make some rosebuds out of lime slices. First, slice your lime into wheels. Cut the lime wheel in half. Hold the 2 halves with the peel facing up and create a T shape. Bend them into each other and pierce it, making sure to get through each lime slice end. The thinner you cut these, the better. I honestly think I could have done a better job if I had a sharper knife. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's make a rosebud lime peel garnish. This is the easiest one by far and the most petite. The one we make after this will look like a giant compared to this one. Peel an extra long lime wheel swath and roll it up like a fruit roll-up. Is that a millennial only reference? Take a skewer and with a little muscle, pierce all the way through. How beautiful is that? Let's make a large and in charge sun garnish. This one also reminds me of a lion. Maybe save this one and make it for Leo season. Cut a lime in half and then cut 1 lime wheel from that. Act as if you're cutting another lime wheel, but only cut about 1/4 of the way down. This slit will come in handy later. Take your lime wheel and cut out the middle white pith from the center. Turn it inside out and then cut away any of the extra pith that got left behind. Get your lime half and push the inside out lime wheel down and around it. Now use that slit we made earlier and attach it to the rim of your glass. Which of these 6 garnishes is your favorite? Comment below.